This is crocheting during quarantine with Sam. This is how you do a chain stitch. You start with your yarn and your hook. Then you make a little awareness ribbon, we'll say. Twist it. Go through, grab your yarn, pull that through, and tighten. And you got a little stitch. Then you pull it tight, and you got it on the hook. I forgot to talk about that. And then we yarn over. Sometimes you stutter. Then you yarn over, pull through. That's your first chain. Then you yarn over again, pull that through the loop, tighten a little bit, but not a lot. That's your chain. And you keep doing that for as long as you want. Like that. And you can get faster at it, and faster at it, and faster at it. And then you got a chain. This is the base work for most crochet projects. There's that. Information for you. Thanks for watching Crochet.